In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account using the Ring app on your mobile phone. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so go ahead and download the Ring app on your mobile device. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it. And once you've opened it, you'll come to this page here where it says create account or sign in. So if you've got an account, just simply click and sign in. But if you don't, go ahead and click on create account. And now, what is your name? So fill in your first name, your surname, and then click continue, like so. And then what country do you live in? So you can change your location. It will automatically detect what country you're in. But if it doesn't, go ahead and click onto that country, your country, to change it. Click continue. What's your email address? So put in your email address here, like so. I'm just going to pause this and get back to you. All right, once that is done, click continue. And now you've got to create a strong password. So put in your password, confirm your password, and then click on create account. Your password must have at least 8 characters, include uppercase and lowercase, include at least one number, one symbol, and not include your name, surname, or email user name as well. So go ahead and do that. All right, I'm inside my emails. Here's the Ring email here. So click onto that. Hi tutorial, we're happy you're signed up for Ring. So you want to go ahead and click on verify now. And it's going to redirect you to a web page saying thank you for verifying your email. Now you can now access your account on ring.com or return to your app. So let's go and return to the app. All right, you can link accounts here if you like to, but I'm just going to skip for now. Account verification, I'm going to click continue, put in your phone number. All right, once you've done that, they'll text you. Once you put in your phone number, they'll text you a code which will automatically get put in. And then from there, you'll say, getting started, welcome to Ring. So what would you like to do? Set up a device or ask for access to Ring devices. So just go through the process of setting up a device. And then once you've done that, you've got your devices on this page here. And if you click the hamburger icon, you've got more settings. You can have a look around as well.